Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, we will learn how we can add data frame in the quickest way. We can add the data frame just by clicking on the insert button. After clicking on insert button, actually data frame is added up to separate different layers. For example, this is my layer having these. This is my layers. This is my separate data frame and consisting of these particular layers, and I want another data frame for other different layers. No, I will just click on the insert button. After clicking on the insert button, I will move to the data frame and my data frame will be added up. And if I want to move this layer from this, it will not move from here to here. Okay, there are some, and after that, if I want to add few data, and into this data frame I can add new layers, new data. I will add here. Okay, just by pressing double tap on this and add data, and I will just if I want to add the data of any area, any clipped pay, and add, and by that my data will be edited up in my new data frame. Okay, I hope you understand how we can add the new data frame. Thank you so much for your time, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.